Today in the grain market, soybeans were lower. U.S.-China tensions are creating demand concerns. They're wondering about the actual exports to China, that there is concern that it's going to be really below that USDA forecast. There is just concerns that perhaps that's not going to be in the cards and has put a halt to this rally that we've been having. But since June 30th report from the USDA, the grain markets have really been reacting normally as they would during the summer months. So there is some possibility that weather is very important actually right now, and it could come into play a little bit more often than we have been seeing for the past number of months right now. Also, keep an eye on the crush margins. They've been at their lows right now, and if they start to turn up, I think that might help these markets as well. But for now, it looks like the rally that we were experiencing with soybeans might be just stalling out a little bit. Now today, corn was mixed. I think that the extreme heat is a worry for the crops. Now there is some rain in the forecast for the near term, but long term, meaning the end of July, that could be another matter. So we're going to watch that closely. One thing also to note about corn is the ethanol is the highest it's been since February. So that's offering a little bit more market support. Today, the big story was wheat that really jumped up with Russia cutting its crop output. I think really gave the market a shot in the arm. And of course, we know that a lot of the managed funds are short the wheat markets, and so when they start to scramble to cover their shorts, they start pushing the market up by themselves. And at some point, they were up almost 18 cents, which is a big move that we haven't seen in wheat for quite a while. Interestingly enough, all of the rest of the data for wheat is a little bit on the bearish side. I mean, there really isn't much happening. We're right in the middle of harvest pressure. So this it'll depend on tomorrow to see if this is just a blip on the screen or we're going to have some follow through support. We'll need some fundamental support to keep this market going. But for today, it was really, really strong all day.